Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 best exercises that are safe, effective, and designed to support you throughout your pregnancy. While it's essential to listen to your body and get plenty of rest, incorporating regular exercise into your routine can make a world of difference. Trust me, staying active can do wonders for your energy levels, mood, and overall well-being. So if you're ready to feel your best and prepare your body for labor and delivery, stick around. We'll break down each exercise, showing you how to perform them correctly and explaining the amazing benefits they offer. Let's get started.
Let's kick off our list with a classic walking. Walking is a fantastic low-impact exercise that's accessible to almost everyone, regardless of your fitness level. And the best part is, you can enjoy a brisk walk throughout your entire pregnancy. Why is walking so beneficial for expectant mothers? It works wonders for your cardiovascular health, getting your heart pumping and improving blood circulation.
Regular walks can help keep those pregnancy pounds in check, boost your energy levels, and even improve your sleep quality. Plus, let's not forget about the mood-boosting benefits of soaking up some sunshine and fresh air. Remember, it's always a good idea to start slow and gradually increase your walking time and intensity as you feel comfortable.
Ready to dive into our next pregnancy-safe exercise? Let's talk about swimming. Swimming is like a full-body hug for your pregnant body. It's gentle on your joints, provides a fantastic cardiovascular workout, and offers a welcome sense of weightlessness.
Swimming also helps regulate your blood pressure, improves circulation, and strengthens your heart and lungs, all essential for a healthy pregnancy. And if you're experiencing back pain, swimming can work wonders by supporting your weight and alleviating pressure on your spine. Whether you prefer gentle laps in the pool or a relaxing water aerobics class, make a splash and experience the incredible benefits of swimming during your pregnancy.
Let's transition to a more mindful form of exercise, prenatal yoga. This ancient practice is specifically tailored to the needs of pregnant women, offering a beautiful blend of physical postures, breathing exercises, and relaxation techniques. Prenatal yoga helps improve flexibility, strengthens your muscles, and enhances your balance, all crucial as your pregnancy progresses. The gentle stretches and postures can also work wonders for relieving common pregnancy discomforts like back pain, nausea, and fatigue. But the benefits go beyond the physical. The deep breathing exercises and meditation techniques can calm your mind, reduce anxiety, and promote feelings of peace and well-being. If you're looking for an exercise that nourishes both your body and mind, prenatal yoga is an excellent choice. Now, let's target those core muscles with an exercise that's simple yet incredibly effective: pelvic tilts. Pelvic tilts are all about gently engaging your core muscles to improve stability and support your growing belly. By strengthening your abdominal muscles, you're not only preparing your body for labor, but also improving your posture and reducing strain on your back. The beauty of pelvic tilts lies in their simplicity. You can do them anywhere, anytime, without any special equipment. Whether you're standing in line at the grocery store or relaxing at home, a few sets of pelvic tilts throughout the day can make a world of difference. Remember to listen to your body and stop if you feel any discomfort. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about an exercise that targets a group of muscles you may not be able to see, but you'll definitely feel the benefits of strengthening your pelvic floor muscles. Kegel exercises are like a secret weapon for pregnant women, helping to strengthen the muscles that support your bladder, uterus, and rectum. By regularly performing Kegels, you're essentially giving your pelvic floor muscles a workout, improving bladder control, and reducing the risk of embarrassing leaks. Strong pelvic floor muscles also play a crucial role during labor and delivery, making pushing more effective and aiding in postpartum recovery. The best part about Kegels is that you can do them discreetly anytime, anywhere.
Thanks for watching.
We hope you found these exercises helpful and feel empowered to prioritize your health and well-being throughout your pregnancy. Remember, staying active is one of the best gifts you can give yourself and your growing baby.
Before starting any new exercise routine, it's always a good idea to have a chat with your healthcare provider. They can assess your individual needs and advise you on the best and safest approach for your pregnancy.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and pregnancy advice. We're here to support you every step of the way.